Hello, back again on another sunny day. Today I am going to show you a brand new Wildax Pulsar. Come on, let's take a look. Look at how indoor, outdoor living this van is. Oh my god, it's amazing. Not only can you open the door on this side, you can also open the door on that side. I just put the fly screen over so that I just have that open area, but I feel like I don't at the same time. This is a 2-berth and it's perfect for a couple, young or old. This here makes up your either 2 single beds or 1 large double bed. If you want to see how that looks, let me know and I don't mind showing you. Now, this one that I have with me is an automatic and it's the new 9-speed automatic gearbox. We do have a manual option in all of our Wildax models. So up front you have your beautiful 9-inch DAB flat screen TV. You do have, you can connect your phone up to it. You also have all your vehicle information just here, as well as tons of other features. Here, your aircon, as well as different USB ports, a 12-volt plug-in point as well. And across on your steering wheel, this is a multi-functioning steering wheel with Bluetooth connectivity, of course. Now, they have taken all the space and used it for cupboard space all the way around the roof of the vehicle, the whole way around. Down here is your Truma heating as well as your control panel, and then down is your kitchen. So you have your 3 gas hob, your sink. Below you have your combined oven and grill just here, and then of course your fridge, and of course your little cooler box just in the back. So then at the rear of the vehicle you do have a lovely spare tyre just on the back, as well as a reverse camera up above as well. And that is the Pulsar, Wildax Pulsar, a brand new vehicle, brand new to our range this year. If you would like to see any more Wildaxes, please let me know. I have no problem showing you. This one, as I said, is a 2-berth, so we do have other options. We even have a Mercedes range as well from Wildax. If you'd like to see more, please contact me, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can give me a call 028 9269 999, or if you drop a comment, I'll pick all them up as well. And I'll see you in the next video.